Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to update payment method in iPhone, iPad or any other iOS device. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and now you want to update your payment method, so let's see how can you do that. If you have already added any payment method, so first you have to delete that. So open your settings, tap on your Apple ID and then select payment and shipping option. And here you'll find if you have already added any payment method, so you can easily remove that from here. But here you can see I haven't any added payment method, so I'm going to add a new one. So very first you have to open your app store from here and then tap on your profile in the top right corner, then tap on your account. So now to avoid issues, so you have to double check your network connection and you have to also disconnect your VPN if you're connected. So after doing that, you have to simply select the country or region option and you have to select the country or region in which you are living. So you just have to scroll down and you'll find the country or region in which you are living. And once you find, you just have to select that, then tap on the continue option from here, then tap on agree in the top right corner. And here you have to add your payment method. You just have to select your credit or debit card. You can use your camera to scan your credit or debit card, or you can enter manually all informations. Then you have to enter your billing address, then phone number, and then you can easily change your name from here if you want to. And after doing that, you just have to tap on this done option in the top right corner and your payment method will be successfully updated to your Apple ID in your iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.